So, normally I don't do unboxing videos, but in this case I make it quick and dirty, but I want to show my new offline controller that I ordered on Amazon. It is a DDCS V3 4-axis controller. I'm extremely satisfied with the finish, which matter of fact says here it's aluminium. The buttons feels really nice. I think there's 17 buttons here. Everything on the back is marked really nice. I can see all the pins and what the function is. The other thing is, if you don't use this communication port, they have this adapter here, so I can just add it here. It is also marked very well here. Don't know if you can see it, get it to focus. You can see it there, it's really well marked. And well, my eyes are not the best in the world, but with a glass I can have it. I can see it really good. So another thing that is here is an extension cord. It is not an SD card anymore on this offline controller as it was on my SMC4-4-16A-16B. I mean, terrible names on these offline controllers. But there is an extension cord so that when I install this in a few minutes, I will start on that one. It will be like this, and I can enter my USB key, which also did come with this combo kit. And this USB key is, it looks very small. I thought it was a mistake in the beginning, but the inside is also the outside. So this means that it just fit in, nothing more, nothing less. It's a 2 GB. Then in this kit for 284 euros on Amazon, it also was coming with this pendant, and I have to say I'm very surprised on the quality. It is brushed aluminium. The buttons feels really great. The safety switch and the switch for running, the pendant itself, and you can go on all 4 axes. Choose them here, and in what level you want to do, 1 millimeter, 1/10 of the millimeter, or 1/100th of a millimeter. To the pendant there is also a holder which I will use when I install this offline controller. Then there's a bag with a lot of extra stuff, accessories. I can see in fact the pendant comes with the MPG connection installed, but as I can see here, there's also one spare in this kit, and there is contact for this part here, which you can have buttons, and you can have cycle start, you can have stop, you can have e-stop, and there is a negative port. This is a quick turn on. I think you also, but that's done in the software, I think you also can add switches and, as an example, do homing. Let's see that now. Homing no need for, it is here already. So let me see when we come so far. Another good thing on this purchase was that as soon as I did purchase this on Amazon, I got an email from the supplier, and in that email there was a link to a full user manual in English for this offline controller. So I was very pleased on that deal. I ordered this on the 28th, and today is 30, and I got it around 1 p.m. So all in all, I'm happy with what I'm seeing, and it's time to go and play with it and connect it to my CNC. See you very soon again.